Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. All you do is press it, it turns gray, and you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. If you press that, and I recommend that you do, what ends up happening, it's called the notification bell, is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture of what the video is about with a brief description like the title, so that if it's something that you want to watch right away, you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video and the video starts. So I just love that feature and I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about it and I wanted to share it with you. So that's what that bell is, and it's called the notification bell. So I recommend that you press that. Okay, today is a day where I received a duplicate item that I found that was in my arsenal that I have enjoyed. So this was a product that I wanted to share with you guys because literally I've used it down to almost finishing the bottle, and I want to make sure that someone else has the opportunity to enjoy this product as well. The one that I'm talking about is from KOPARI. This is what the bottle looks like here. The whole bottom here is a rubbery bottom, and then it is a plastic container. It is lightweight. What is phenomenal about this one is that when you leave this on the counter, because it has the rubbery and it's near the sink, you have nothing to worry about at all. I have left this out to make sure that I use it, and I'm using it daily. I have enjoyed this. Like I said, I'm literally down to the last bit of it. And this is, it says it is coconut oil. It has coconut and rose. They're saying it is a toner. They're saying it is sulfate and paraben free. It has a light rose scent. It is not an overpowering rose scent. I do not feel or smell any of the coconut oil. It doesn't leave my skin feeling oily. It does act like a hydrator, but like I said, I do not smell the coconut or do I feel the coconut oil. But you do, if you do not like rose, I'm a girl that doesn't like rose, but this scent is not an overpowering rose. It is light, so you don't have to worry. I'm just going to spray it. This is the one that I own, and then I'll show you the one that is going to be in the giveaway. So this is how light that, and like I said, it is a rose scent. So if you are not a lover of rose, it dissipates quick enough that, like I said, I've used it. So sometimes when the scent of rose is too overpowering for me, I can't even use it. Like I said, I'm literally down to the last little bit of it. So that's the one that I own here. The one that is a duplicate I received in a full retail package. This one, it's, and I'm going to be shipping it the same way. So this one says on here, it says coconut oil in the corner here. It says the brand where it's embossed, so it's raised over here. It says coconut rose toner, refresh and balance. Like I mentioned, it's sulfate free, paraben free, silicone free, and this is just over 5 fluid ounces. It's saying it's vegan, non-GMO, and it is cruelty free. And the back of the bottle, it just says with a quick spritz, this refreshing rose toner tightens pores, restores skin's natural balance. They're saying after cleansing, spritz onto clean face or use as a midday refresh. And that's what the item is here. And when you take it out of the box, that's how pretty the inside of the box is. And then this is the full bottle of it right here. So how do you enter the giveaways on Truewants? Really, really simple. Okay, you simply have to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here, and that is exactly how we started this video. If your button is gray, you're in. The only thing you have to make sure is that your account is public. What that means is you have to go into your settings. YouTube has informed me that unless the account is public, creators like myself cannot verify if you have subscribed to the channel. So you just have to go under your settings, because all of us, when we set up our accounts, be it if it recent or in the past, YouTube always sets it up as private. It's up to us to go in and switch it under settings to public. So that's the only thing you got to double check. Don't assume that your account is public. Make sure by going through your settings, see if it says private, and then switch it over to public. So subscribe to the channel, make sure your account is public. The second step is to go over to Instagram and follow me on Truewants with the number 2. The last thing is, underneath this video, if you are interested in the giveaway, in your comment, I just need you to write that you want to be entered in the giveaway that is called KOPARI, K-O-P-A-R-I, the toner, the rose toner, and leave your Instagram name. That's it. It's really important that in that comment you have your Instagram name. This way, when you and if you win, I'm going to reach out to you under the comments here to congratulate you so that everyone else can see who won, as well as do a video on it, of course. But I'm also going to be reaching out to you on Instagram through direct message, because we're going to be sharing email and USA address information of where you want me to ship this to. I always leave in the description the few things that I need you to do to enter the giveaway, as well as what the deadline date is going to be of when I'm going to choose the winner. All of that is going to be in the description box that is right underneath this video. So I don't want to stop the comments of the people that do not want to enter. So please, it is important to me that you leave a comment that you've come by just to say hi, or if you've used this product, if you've enjoyed it, if you didn't, any feedback. I love reading. I want to make sure that other people in the comments get to read the reviews as well. If you are on my channel, it is a shared community, so I want to make sure that if you've enjoyed this product, the benefits you've gotten from it, so on and so forth, if you found the rose scent too strong, anything like that, please leave it in the comments down below. But if you are interested in the giveaway, and it's even something maybe you've used and you're down to here and you want to replenish, it doesn't matter. If you want to enter the giveaway, just make sure within the comment that you write that you want to be entered in the giveaway and that you leave your Instagram name. That's the only way that I can verify which people want to be entered in the giveaway and which people just wanted to come by to show their support to me on my channel. Okay, I hope that's clear. All right, once again, thank you guys for finding me. Thank you for sharing my channel with others, because my growth has been nice. I am excited to be able to have this opportunity to give back as often as I've been able to with these duplicates and in full sizes and brand names. So once again, all you've really got to be is subscribe to the channel, watch, leave me comments, because I really feel that there's a fantastic community here, and that a lot of names are repeat names, so I start feeling like relationships are forming, and I love being able to know that when I pick a name and it's someone that I recognize the name, it even gives me even a stronger feeling that I'm able to share so much more with you guys. So once again, thank you for finding me. Thank you for sharing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good luck to everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.